Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram video call filter not working problem on Android phone. So if you are also facing the same issue while doing a video call and the filter is not working, don't worry, go through the methods discussed in this video. So what you need to do is, first you have to force stop Instagram app once and then check if it's working. So for that, click and hold the icon over here. Now click on app info, and after that click on force stop and then click on OK. Once done, now check if the issue is resolved. If not, you have to clear the cache of the particular app. For that, click on storage and cache, and after that click on clear cache, and after that you have to wait for some time. And then the next method is to check if the app needs any kind of update. So for that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for Instagram, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Instagram to the latest version. After this, you have to check if there is any kind of internet problem. If there is any kind of internet fluctuating or such kind of issue, then you are suggested to restart your router once if you are using Wi-Fi, or you can go to mobile data or do vice versa, and then check if the issue is fixed. And then the next method is to check if your device OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings, and after that go below, click on the system update, and here you will find if there is any update available for your Android phone. If yes, update your device OS to the latest version, and after that try to check if the issue is fixed. But before that, you are suggested to restart your device once. So for that, click and hold that, press the volume up plus power button, and then click on restart. So this will restart your device. Once your device restarts, launch Instagram and try to do a video call, and then check if the filter is working or not. If not, then you should take help from the support team. So for that, you have to open in the help center. For that, go below, here you have to click on help, and after that here you have to click on report a problem, then click on report problem, then click on include and continue, and here you have to briefly explain whatever the issue you are coming across. If you have any screenshot, you can also attach this, and after that describe the issue, and then click on the send option over here. Now after clicking on the send option, you have to wait for some time, and then whatever the issue you are coming across, wait for some time, and then check if the support team resolves the issue, and you can easily access the filter option while doing a video call on Instagram. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.